Welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga, and here we are on day 17 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. So let's just have a little recap on what you did yesterday. And yesterday I was asking you to breathe from the pause at the peak of the inhale and the pause at the peak of the exhale, and focusing on that, and as you do is noticing how it heightens your awareness every time you come to the pause, and that you're breathing from pause to pause. It really heightens your sense of awareness. It also activates your life force more. You can get this sense of radiance. It's like an electrical current moving through you. And it's like you're balancing the positive and negative energies within you. And you're creating a current that circulates. So you're breathing from pause to pause. So again, how did you get on with that? Did it work for you? What did you feel? What did you get? What did you not get? You know, any questions you may have, again, drop them down in the comments. Today we have a challenge. So this is something that you were doing previously, but now we're going to layer it into the breathing from pause to pause, breathing that heightened awareness, that heightened connection to your life force, yeah? And essentially I'm going to get you to breathe the channel. So remember, you were doing the breathing the openness, and then the flowing openness, and the peaceful completion. Okay, so now I want you to feel that as you breathe it in the inhale. Inhaling the openness, the flowing openness, the peaceful completion. And really it's the full yogic breath, your navel, your rib cage, your upper chest. But then when you go into the pause at the peak of the inhale, I want you to still feel the channel and the energy moving through the openness. Then it's an energy moving through a flowing openness to a peaceful completion. And then you get it, you're exhaling through that same spaciousness. And then you're exhaling that flowing spaciousness to peaceful completion. And then you're in the pause at the end of your exhale. And you're in that spaciousness, and it's a flowing spaciousness that comes to a peaceful completion. And what I want you to do is get that lovely sense of just continual energy flow, and that you're breathing your center of gravity. Is that you're flowing continuously and your balance is continuously fluid. It's always mobile, and that when you can allow yourself to be in that perpetual state of motion, and notice at the same time there's a lovely calmness in it. There's a lovely clarity in it. There's a lightness in it. There's a spaciousness. There's a flow, and it all comes to a beautiful circular completion. That you're breathing the complete circle. So the channel, I want you to breathe the channel. That's your challenge for today. And then again is, think about as 3 breaths. Your first breath is you're just tapping into your breath. Your second breath is you're getting used to just the cyclical flow of it. And the third breath is you're just breathing the openness of it. You're feeling the flow of it, and you just feel the completion of that cyclical flow of your life force. Okay, and trust your intuition. Follow what feels right. There's no, it's already happening. It's just you're just tapping into that experience with awareness and just feeling that beautiful flow in your breath. Okay, and again, remember, any questions, drop them in. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you haven't by now, what are you waiting for? And then if you want notification, give it a little click, and it'll keep you up to date with everything that's going on with ourselves. Yeah. And again, if you did the 30 days, remember we have the one-to-one session if you want afterwards. Just drop me an email. There will be a limit on this offer, so I reckon it'll be probably 3 months. So 3 months from the first day that we launched the 30-day trial, it'll be 3 months from then. But I'll have that in the description. You'll see the date in the description. But for now, have a great day. Thank you.